Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Kahit tapos na ang concert ng SB19 sa Taiwan simula at wakas World Tour concert, hanggang ngayon usap-usapan pa rin ang teary-eyed ng mga Taiwanese fans at 18. Sila ay nag-post sa mga social media account nila. Sabi nga nito, gusto niya maging 18 forever at ayaw nang lumabas ng venue hanggat di matatapos ang concert ng SB19 Boys. Most of Taiwanese girls and fans are crying, screaming at enjoying. Ang ibang Taiwanese naman ay gustong pumunta ng Hong Kong sa next destination at country na kukonsertan ng SB19. Kaya naman super excited sila.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dream.